Hey guys, welcome back to another video. My name's Fathead, and today we have some new wheels. And these are the Bullet Machined 1.98H spoke wheels with plus 3 adapters for Traxxas TRX4. Let's open these bad boys up. Alright. Here's the tag. Maybe read that better. Alright. So, the reason I got these wheels is because they look like those stock ones that come with the Gen 8 out of the box. So, I thought they looked cool, and I've been wanting to get them for a while now, so I finally decided to pull the trigger. So, I've had these black wheels for who knows how long now. They're beat up, scratched everywhere. They hold the bead well. Had them on my day. I ran these on my TRX4 Sport before I decided to come to these and put them on here. So, in this video, I'm going to change them up a bit, replace the foams, probably give these this memory foam in these tires a shot. And my hands are clean. They're just stained this way. It sucks, but they are clean, just in case you're curious. So, anyways, the goal for this video: change the wheels, the foams, and might even put a sticker on this. Depending on how long this video is, we'll put a sticker on, and then we'll go from there. So first, I'm gonna take off my wheels and tires, and I'll come back to you when I got them all separated. Before we get too far ahead, here's what the 3mm offsets look like. These holes just mount in to these ones right in here. They just bolt right onto the wheel. I don't know if I'll run them because I've got some on there already, but I'll show you guys. Just give me 1 second. Alright, here's a better look at the spacers. We got the Scout up on jack stands. Got my tires off. And time to put the new ones on. First, I'm gonna take out those screws on the back right there, 2.5mm hex, and then we'll take the stock wheels and tires apart with 1.5mm hex to take those screws out. And we'll go to that point. And I got my screws out. It's time to start on these guys. These ones are going to take a bit just because they're double-sided B-locks, but should not be that big of a deal. So, see you guys in a second. Alright, not gonna lie, taking all those little screws out was not fun. But that was. Shout out to magnets. So here's what's on the inside the Gen 8 tires. Listen to the noise it makes when it drops. Anyway, time to just pop these bad boys out. And we'll start assembling these afterwards. Alright, get the foams out of the growlers. Now you can just throw them away. Alright, got the new wheels on. Nah, I'm just kidding. There's the new wheels. Honestly, I like them a lot. Really liking these. I went ahead and put a sticker up on the roof. That's what my friends and family call me. Got a couple of those made, putting them on some of my rigs. So, if you guys want some of those stickers, let me know. I can get some made. I'm also making some stickers for my logo. So, let me know what you guys think of these new wheels. If you like these new ones better, if you like my older black ones better. Oh, I think these would be nice. I get off work a little early tomorrow, so gotta get a run video of this guy and with my headlights that you guys might have seen in the last video. Just right here, so I can get those running. Get a new video of these wheels, get them all nice and used up. Try not to scratch them. So this has been Redcat Gen 8 gets new wheels. So you guys enjoyed, please leave a like, comment on anything you like, anything you think I can improve on to make these better, and subscribe if you enjoyed. Thanks for watching. See you guys on the next one. Peace out.